The music is nice. I am tired.
We are almost home. Just 5 more minutes.
Wait, look in the mirror.
What is it?
There are lights behind us. Red and blue lights.
Is it an ambulance?
No, it is a police car.
Is he chasing someone else?
He's right behind our bumper.
Oh no, I think he is signaling me.
Yes, the siren just turned on.
It is me. I'm getting pulled over.
Don't panic, Tom. Just breathe.
Was I speeding? I was going 40.
I don't think you were speeding.
Why is he stopping me?
I don't know. Just pull over safely.
Okay, I'm turning on my signal.
Slow down gradually. Don't stop suddenly.
I see a safe spot on the right.
Yes, park over there under the streetlight.
My
Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, officer. Good evening.
Do you know why I pulled you over?
No, officer, I don't know.
You failed to stop at the stop sign back there.
The stop sign? I thought I stopped.
You did a rolling stop. You did not stop completely.
Oh, I'm sorry, officer. I didn't realize.
Is this your vehicle?
Yes, it is my car.
Is your address current on your license?
Yes, it is current.
Okay, I need to see your driver's license.
It is in my back pocket. Can I reach for it?
Go ahead, slowly.
Here is my license.
Now I need your proof of insurance and registration.
They're in the glove box.
Okay, reach over and get them.
Opening the glove box now.
Keep your other hand on the wheel.
Yes, officer. Here is the registration.
And the insurance card?
It is this paper here.
Thank you. Sit tight, I'll be right back.
Okay, I will wait here.
Do not exit the vehicle.
I understand. I will stay inside.
Tom, turn on the inside light.
The dome light, why?
So the officer can see inside. It is dark.
Good idea. Click. Light is on.
Now roll down your window.
All the way down?
Yes, all the way. He needs to hear you.
Okay, window is down.
Should I get my ID?
No, don't move your hands yet.
You are right. Sudden movements are bad.
Where should I put my hands?
Put them on the steering wheel.
Like this at 10 and 2?
Yes, keep them visible. Don't let go.
What if he asks for registration?
Wait until he asks. Do not reach for the glove box now.
He's sitting in his car.
He is checking your license plate.
Why is it taking so long?
It is standard procedure. Just wait.
I'm so
That went okay. You were polite.
Rolling stop, really?
I think you did slow down, but you didn't freeze.
That is so strict.
It is the law. The wheels must stop moving completely.
How much is the ticket?
I don't know, maybe $200?
$200? That is our grocery money.
It is better than an accident.
Why is she taking so long?
She is checking your record on the computer.
My record is clean. I never get tickets.
Then maybe she will give you a warning.
What is a warning?
It means no fine, just a paper that says be careful.
I hope so. I really hope so.
She is talking on his radio.
Is she calling for backup?
No, Tom, relax. It is routine.
Do I look suspicious?
You look like a terrified accountant.
You are fine.
My hands are sweating on the wheel.
Just wipe them on your pants quickly.
She's opening her car door again.
She's coming back.
Here we go.
Remember, smile. Be nice.
Okay, I am ready.
Here are your documents.
Thank you, officer.
Everything looks clear on your record.
That is good news.
However, the stop sign violation is serious.
I understand it was my mistake.
I am going to issue you a citation today.
A citation? Is that a ticket?
Yes, it is a traffic ticket.
Oh, I see.
I need you to sign this device here.
What does my signature mean?
It is not an admission of guilt.
No, it is just a promise to appear in court or pay the fine.
Okay, I understand. Where do I sign?
Sign right here with your finger.
Okay, signed.
Here's your copy of the citation.
How do I pay this?
The instructions are on the back. You can pay online.
Okay, thank you, officer.
Please be more careful next time. Full stop.
I will, I promise.
Wait and...
Is she gone?
Yes, she turned off her lights.
Let me see the ticket here.
It is a long piece of paper.
Let's see. Violation code 22450. Failure to stop.
Does it say the price?
No. The court will mail us the amount.
That is scary. I hate waiting.
Look, at least we are safe.
Yes, I was so scared I would go to jail.
Nobody goes to jail for a stop sign, Tom.
I know, but in the moment, you don't think clearly.
You handled it well. You didn't argue.
Arguing is bad. My dad taught me that.
We can pay it online next week.
I need to be more careful. No more rolling stops.
Exactly.
3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then go.
I will count out loud every time. Now, are you ready to drive?
Give me a second. I need to take a deep breath.
Take your time.
Okay. Breathing in.
Breathing out.
Turn on your signal. Check the mirror.
The road is clear.
Let's go home and have some tea.
Tea sounds perfect.
And maybe some chocolate.
Yes, lots of chocolate.
I'm so tired. I was going to clean today.
And did you?
Well, I ended up watching TV all day. There was a good movie on.
All day? I can see that. The pizza boxes are everywhere.
Not all day, just most of it. I couldn't stop watching.
What about the dishes? You always say you'll do them tomorrow.
I know. I'm sorry.
This always happens. You plan to clean, then you end up on the couch.
This time I mean it. I promise I'll be different.
Sure, we'll see about that. You say that every weekend.
Maybe we watch the next movie together.
Nice try. Let's clean first, then maybe a movie.
Deal. You're the best.
Flattery won't work. Get the broom.
You won't believe what happened. The client loved the new design.
Wait, the simple one? The one you didn't want?
Yes, the one you suggested. I should have listened to you.
I told you so. Simple is always better.
The boss was so happy. I was so nervous about it.
You worried for nothing. I knew it would work.
Okay, you were right all along.
I love hearing that. Say it again.
Don't push it. But really, thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Just remember for next time.
Next time, I'll listen to you first.
Good. I told you so. Now, let's celebrate.
Coffee is on me.
That's more like it.
I'm so sorry I'm late. Traffic was terrible today.
Finally, you showed up. I've been waiting 30 minutes.
I know. I'm really sorry. Please don't be mad at me.
I'm not mad, just hungry. I almost ordered without you.
Let me buy you coffee and a muffin, whatever you want.
Deal. But you always show up late. It's becoming a habit.
I know. I really need to fix that. I have 3 alarm clocks.
Then you need 4, or just leave earlier.
You're right. I'll try harder next time.
I've heard that before, but fine. I forgive you.
Thanks. You're a great friend.
I know. Just don't make me wait again.
I promise. Now let's order.
Finally, I'm starving.
Oh my gosh, Sarah, is that really you?
Tom, I can't believe it. Long time no see.
How long has it been? 4, 5 years?
5 years. You look exactly the same.
You're too kind. You look amazing. What brings you here?
I just moved back to town last month.
That's great news. We should catch up soon.
I'd love that. I missed everyone here.
How about coffee next week? Long time no see, but we can change that.
That sounds perfect, just like old times. I'll text you the details. Same number?
Same number. Let's not wait another 5 years.
Agreed. It's so good to see you.
You too. This made my day. Ah, wow. Check this out. It's the new mystery novel.
The one you mentioned last week? Let me see.
Yes, I've been waiting months for this. The reviews are amazing.
It looks interesting. Are you going to buy it?
Definitely. One more book won't hurt. This one is special.
That's what you always say. You have a whole shelf of unread books.
I'll did this one first, I promise.
Sure you will. Fine, let's check out then.
Wait, I want to look around more. Just 5 more minutes.
You said that an hour ago. Come on, let's go.
Okay, I'm ready now. Let's go pay.
Finally, I thought we'd never leave.
Thanks for being patient.
That's what friends are for. But next time, faster.
Deal. Hey, where are you? The movie starts in 20 minutes.
Sorry, I'm on my way right now. Traffic is really bad today.
You said that 15 minutes ago. Should I buy the tickets first?
Yes, please get me popcorn too. The big one, of course.
And a drink?
Okay, I'll get everything ready.
Yes, please. I'm so thirsty. You're the best.
Just hurry up. We'll miss the previews.
I'm on my way, I promise. I can see the theater now.
Good. I'll save you a seat. Middle row.
Perfect. The best view. I'm parking now.
Great. See you inside then.
I'm running in now. 2 minutes.
I got popcorn. Hurry.
I see you. I'm here.
We have too much stuff. We need to get rid of some things.
Finally, you agree. I've been telling you that for months.
I know, but where do we start? There's so much here.
How about these old boxes? Do you even know what's inside?
Wait, those might be important. Let me check first.
You always say that, then nothing gets thrown out.
Okay, fine. I'll be brave. Let's get rid of them.
Good. What about this broken lamp? You said you'd fix it.
That was 3 years ago. Okay, get rid of it too.
Now we're making progress. The garage will look so nice.
This is harder than I thought.
Just throw away what you don't need. Simple.
You're right. Let's keep going.
That's the spirit. By tonight, we'll have so much space.
How's the project going? I'm really curious about the progress.
It's almost done. Maybe tomorrow morning I can show you.
That's great news. Perfect. Keep me posted on everything.
Of course, I'll email you updates. Just a few more details left.
Any problems so far? The client is getting very excited.
Nothing major. Everything is on track.
That's good to hear. Your work is always solid.
Thanks. That means a lot. I'll keep you posted if anything changes.
Sounds perfect. Let me know if you need any help.
I will, but I think it's all good.
Great. The meeting is Friday. Be ready.
I'll be ready. Don't worry. Talk to you tomorrow.
Looking forward to seeing the final result.
You won't be disappointed.
Oh no, this can't be happening. My car just broke down.
Excuse me? Do you need help? I saw the smoke from my car.
Yes, please. I have no idea what's wrong, and my phone is dead.
That's terrible luck. You can use my phone. Here you go.
Thank you so much. You're very kind. This is the worst timing.
I understand. Were you going somewhere important?
A job interview in 30 minutes. I can't believe this.
Oh no. Call them and explain. Cars break down all the time.
You're right. Hopefully they'll understand.
I'm sure they will. Things happen. Don't worry too much.
I really appreciate your help today.
No problem at all. Good luck with your interview.
Thanks again. You saved my day.
Happy to help. I hope you get the job.
I'm too tired to cook tonight.
Me too. It was a long day.
Let's just order a big pizza.
That sounds like a plan. I love pizza.
Pepperoni and extra cheese.
Yes, and maybe some wings too.
Perfect. You read my mind.
Deal. Action movie or comedy?
Let's watch that new comedy.
Pizza, wings, and a comedy.
Best Friday night ever.
Agreed. Simple is best.
So, dinner in 30 minutes.
Sounds like the plan. I'm calling now.
The doctor said everything is fine, just a common cold.
Oh, that's such a relief. I was so worried about you.
Me too. I thought it might be something serious.
You had a fever for 3 days. Anyone would be worried.
I know. Thank goodness it's nothing major.
That's a relief. I barely slept last night thinking about it.
I'm sorry I made you worry. Let's go home now.
Yes, you need rest. The doctor said so.
Good idea. I just need some soup and sleep.
I'll make your favorite chicken noodle soup.
Perfect. Thanks for taking care of me.
Of course, that's what I'm here for. I feel better already knowing it's just a cold.
Me too. That's really a relief.
We need a new idea for this project. The deadline is tomorrow.
I know, I've been thinking all morning. This is stressful.
Did you come up with anything? We really need something good.
Actually, yes. What about making a video instead of slides?
That's brilliant. Why didn't I think of that?
I came up with it during lunch. Sometimes breaks help clear your mind.
You're a genius. Let's start working on it now.
I'll write the script, you handle the visuals.
Perfect. We make such a great team together.
We always come up with something good when we work together.
That's true. Thanks for saving the day.
No problem. Now let's get to work on it.